Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Teacher Fatihah. In this video, I will share with you on how to train our children to be able to engage in appropriate behavior by sitting quietly in 3 minutes in order to improve their language and communication skills. Later in this video, I will share with you on how to do that as well as their benefits. So stay tuned. So how to do them? Firstly, we can start with introducing and practicing sitting still with our children through reading a book together alongside of each other. Secondly, we can do activities that require their attention, for example, like coloring or solving a puzzle. And lastly, we need to praise their good behavior, for example, like good job for listening during our reading time. Next, I will continue with why it is important for us to practice these skills with our children. So through this activity or practice, we can prepare our children for situation where they need to sit still, for example, during a meal time at a restaurant or during a haircut session, as well as for medical examination. Secondly, it can promote calming and attention. For example, when they sit still, they will have the time to focus on one thing. And lastly, it can initiate listening and responding skill. For example, when they have the attention, they will learn to listen to instruction and as well as respond to them. So that's all for me, and thank you for watching.